Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we're going to learn how to change app notification sound in Android. Okay, so guys, as you know, every Android has a different setting option and different interface. So I will show you that will help you to change your app notification sound. Okay, so guys, let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's start with the video. So guys, this is my Android screen. So first, go to your Android setting. So I'm using a Motorola 8G Plus, and here we will find the notification option or app and notification option. So just click on notification or app of notification. So if you want to set one sound to every for all notification, for all app notification, that you can just go to the notification, and here you will see your all app. Recently I use this app, and okay, so now go to the advanced. In advance you will see the option called default notification sound. So I have, you know default notification sound moto. So I can change it and just click on OK, or you can also add notification from here. Okay, so this is your if you have sound in your file manager or internal memory, you can use it. Okay, so I just use the inbuilt sound, so use this one whatever you want and just click on OK. So this sound will be on to every notification. Okay, so if you want to use different sound for every app notification, so you can use it. So come back app and go to the see all, then your all installed app you will be you can see. Now I want to change the Instagram app notification. So I just need to open the app notification, go to the notification. In notification you will see the sound, comment sound and all. So click on. So here you can see the every every notification category, so you can comment like anything. So if you want to change, I want to change comments, comments notification, so I need to click on comments, and here you can see alarm and go to the advanced. In advanced here you can change the sound of comments. Okay, and just come back. Okay, so if I come back, again go to the notification and scroll down, go to the advanced. Okay, additional setting. Okay, IG update. So okay, from here if you go in advanced. Okay, so that is how you can change app notification sound. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for